guys, we are about to go see the thing. Can I flip this back around? Nope. I'm gonna just take you backwards with me.
I'm scared. I don't know what it is.
What is it? Here lies the thing. Oh, it's a mommy. It's like, oh my gosh, get the shit out. Wait. There's so much sand in my ass.
You're halfway there. Keep going.
I hate you.
Me?
Say hi, Katie.
Hi.
These are our new friends too.
Hi.
Hi. We're drinking wine. Oh, that's not me. This is me.
Try to domesticate you, but you're an animal.